frustration. Been crossed and lost and told no, and I've come back unshaken, let down.